Hi, I'm Karina and welcome back to my little tiny house. Today I'm going to talk about some unexpected, what should we say, small disasters. So today it's raining very, very hard and I'm here working on the house and I come in to find a leak. Follow me. Putting in windows and doors is very a meticulous thing to do, and no matter how much you think you got it right, even though I know I did some stuff wrong on it, I come in here and there is now a puddle at the base of the wall, which is very bad, and there's water coming in from underneath here. I already had taken the plate, the bottom plate of the exterior of this window out and had to replace it because I thought there was a leak, and then reapplied silicone and caulk, but now I'm seeing that didn't fix it. I have no idea what to do. So yeah, you might run into things like this. Also, follow me back this way. Other things to note, like I wanted to say with my tiny house, in these videos I want to explain that making mistakes is alright and will happen unless you're extremely amazing, which is great, but I'm not. And so for one thing, my whole house is a little bit crooked. Everything is just like a little bit off. The ceiling panels are off just a slight bit because I found out that when my friends were helping me install the rafters, the rafters up there were just shifted like I think 1 inch off where they were supposed to be. And that completely shifts all the panels, and a lot of them have to be cut diagonally and all that. Also, this door. Several things about it. First of all, this door, if anyone knows, buying these double patio doors, they're very expensive, and if you go and see, I tried to find some used, couldn't find any, looked and looked and looked, so finally I said fine, I'll go to Lowe's. They have at Lowe's these regular white patio doors, and they have this sort of plastic vinyl lattice work on them. I do not like that. As you can tell, I have no lattice work in here. I really dislike that design. It doesn't align with my vision and the clean sort of lines that I want. It disrupts the view, which I don't want. I like lots of light and big glass panes. So I thought, and I saw these doors on sale because they were dinged up a little bit, so I said, oh, that's fine, you know what, I'm just gonna, cut the vinyl off, cut the lattice work off. And that proved to be extremely difficult and hard, and I had the glass panes fell out when I was trying to unscrew it out, and I realized I couldn't do that, so I had to cut the lattice work with this like saw while it was on the glass without hitting the glass, and I had to cut all these individual cuts on both sides of the door. And then after I did that, there's these little plastic things protruding that I thought I could sand down, couldn't sand it down. So then I thought, well, maybe I'll just, nail into pieces of wood. Couldn't nail it into the vinyl. So then I thought maybe I'll just glue it in. Didn't stick. So then I just tried a bunch of different things, and finally I had to get all these custom strips of wood cut and then glued together, and then some were nailed in like in these specific angles. Anyway, I call this door the disaster door because a big set of these patio doors could, get you back probably $1,200, $1,300, some are $1,800. I found these doors that were normally maybe $500. I found them on sale for $247. So I thought, that's fine, I'm just gonna make what I want. But I was very angry at myself for not just getting what I wanted in the beginning. But having that said, my mother, who is a very patient person and also very artistic and good with her hands and good at making things and stuff, she saw the potential and she said, you know what, I'll just help you. So with her help and her patience, because I get frustrated very easily, and she helped create this vision, and we even cut these pieces of board down here at angles on the outside so that the water would drip off. Caulked everything with black caulk. And now I don't even remember the disaster. So that's one lesson. About disasters and stuff, and if you just stick with it, it'll work, and if it doesn't work, that's okay too. Now I like my doors. They're not perfect, but I know how much energy went into them and how much creativity, and there's something to be said for that. And also, if you look at my door right over here, this is way closer than down here. My door is crooked. It's very crooked, but that's okay. See you next time. Hello, I'm Karina. I want to do it again.